Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy and sell meme coins on Autosnipe AI. Now, if you want to use Autosnipe AI, you can use the link that is given in the description so that you could save 10% on trading fees on this platform. Now, once you click on the link, you will be redirected at Autosnipe AI, where you need to simply connect your Phantom wallet with it and deposit some Solana into your account so that you can use your Solana in purchasing and selling your meme coins. Now, over here, you can trade either the pump.fun pairs and radium pairs and moonshot pairs. You can even click on the top pairs and it will show you the list of top pairs. So let's say I want to select any coin from the top pairs list, so you can click on top pair section over here, and from here you can definitely filter it out with 24 hours, 6 hours, 1 hour and 1 minute. You can even use your desirable filters with the help of this filters option, and you can even make changes into the by default settings. Now over here in this list, you need to select any of the meme coins that you want to purchase. Let's say I want to purchase this coin that is called Pingu. So this coin is looking quite good. So if you want to purchase this meme coin, you will be able to see this section where we have the buy tokens option. Now here in this section, you need to enter the amount in Solana. You can even use these presets, or you can even use the entire amount in your account by clicking on the max option. So you can just enter the amount that you want to spend in order to purchase this coin. Afterwards, you need to simply click on the buy token option and your token will be purchased, and you will be able to view that order in this open orders list. So over here you will also be able to see all of your transactions. So if you want to view your holdings, then you need to simply click on the my holdings section in order to view it successfully. Now this was the market order buying, but if you want to buy at the limit order, let's say on this chart you are viewing that the coin is coming down, and if you want to purchase it at a specific market cap, then you can definitely do it. So in the market cap section, you need to enter the market cap at which you want to purchase this particular coin that you have selected. If you don't want to use market cap, then you can even provide the price in Solana and price in USDT. Next, we have the option of expiry in. So if you want your trade to get expired, you can set these presets. You can even define your custom hours, custom minutes and custom days. But for this video, I'm going to keep it as never. Afterwards, it will give you the additional settings options where you can select the slippage percentage, and by default I would recommend you to set it on 50%. Then we have the option of priority fee. So with Autosnipe AI, you will get the AI optimized option, so it will automatically adjust your priority fee. Now once you are done with all these settings, you need to simply place your order, and again your open orders will be in this open orders list. Now if you want to sell your token, you need to first select sell token and select whether you want to sell your token at market price or on limit order. If you selected market, then you just have to simply select the amount with the help of this slider. If you want to sell 100% of your quantity, you can select 100%. Then you need to select the advanced settings, but I would recommend to not change anything into it except this slippage where you can put it at 20%. But if you are a pro user, then you can definitely adjust your slippage as per your trading experience. Afterwards, you need to click on the sell token option, and the token that you have selected would be sold, and you will get your Solana in your account. Similar is the case with limit order. If you want to sell your token at a specific price, you can enter your price by selecting price in Sol or price in USDT, and then you can make changes into these options, but do not change the priority fee because the AI optimized feature of Autosnipe AI will help you to reduce your priority fees. Afterwards, click on the sell tokens option, and your limit order for selling will be placed, which you will be able to view it in your my holdings and open orders section. For your transactions, you can click on the transactions option and you will be able to see all of the buy and sell of yours as well as of some other people. So this is how you can easily buy and sell meme coins on Autosnipe AI. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions relating to it, you can let me ask in the questions. I will definitely answer to that. And in case you want to check out this tool, I will put the link of it down in the description so that you could save 10% fees. Thank you so much for watching.